What are you doing here?
Measuring with the barrel.
What we've done here is the only flat surface on this barrel is this kind of underlug here. And so what we've done is this surface here is perfectly flat, so we've raised it up and we're indexing off of this flat to give us a level side to side. And then we've used a gauge to make sure that it's perfectly flat top to, or forward to back. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually drill and tap a hole for the front sight, and we're going to do some porting in the front of the barrel as well. So.
Found the edge of the barrel. When that contacts the edge, it'll kick it loose and kick this off and make it wobble. As of right now, it's spinning concentric. I'll move up to the edge. When it contacts the edge, it'll kick it off. I know that I've found the edge. Now what I take and do is, this bottom piece that's rotating is 200 thousandths thick. So now what I'm going to do, I've zeroed my I've zeroed it anyways right here, and my digital readout. Now I'm going to move it in 100 thousandths. Set my zero on my digital readout. What I've done is I've put the center line of the bore of the mill quill just perfectly in line with the edge of this. Now this the barrel width is 887 thousandths. You divide that in half, that's roughly 443 and a half, or well, it's 443 thousandths. And so now I'm going to move in 443 thousandths, and that'll give us the center of the barrel.
$443 thousandths.
Yep, 443.
Yep. So what we're doing is we're lining up with the middle of the barrel so we can put the front side.
5. So we're perfectly centered now in the barrel. Now I'll zero again.
Mm-hmm.
And that access is...
I'll show you that, guys. Line it up here, line the camera up.
Now what we're going to do here is we're going to edge find the end of the barrel. So I'm going to leave it at that.
So it just drops it down, huh?
Yeah, it pushes it out of the way. It's roughly 350 thousandths in from the end. Okay, we found the edge now. Once again, our edge finder is 200 thousandths thick. So to center it, we have to move in 100 thousandths. Then we're going to move in 350 thousandths. So I'm just going to go ahead and move in 450 thousandths right now. Okay, 450. I'm going to set my 0. I'm going to lock my table in.
And that's going to be the hole for the front sight.
Yes.
That's a pilot hole.
The center drill. Yeah, it's running the pilot.
Now we're tapping it. Because the original front sight was just a screwed in little bead, so pretty sweet. There it is, the original front bead sight on it. These are the ports that we're going to be putting in. We're going to be putting in 1/8 of an inch, 5/8 of an inch ports. That's the drill. Okay, so this is a 1/8 inch reamer. So the reamer is going to help finish the hole and keep it from burring, getting any burrs in there. The reamer essentially finishes the hole. How is it?
It's quite good.